Does the Goa Education Department need schooling? Its circular of 27th August 2026, pursuant to recommendation of NCB to direct institutions to ensure that a radius of 500 meters from the school premises is a drug-free zone, is ridiculous. Instead of seeking clarification, the Directorate of Education has issued this circular without due application of mind. Firstly, any institution can run its writ only inside the limits of its boundaries and cannot run anything outside its boundaries. Definitely it has no jurisdiction nor business outside its property, forget its campus. Secondly, will the institution head have a right to enter and inspect adjoining houses and ensure compliance of the circular? 500 meters is half a kilometer, and with the congestion which we have in Goa, Goa being so small and the schools being situated in very highly densely populated areas, do you think that the head of the institution will go checking house to house? Does he have a right to do that? Thirdly, does this circular imply an acknowledgement of rampant drug abuse in institutions in Goa? And finally, but not the least, does this circular permit a drug zone outside the 500 meters radius? I think the department needs to act according to what should be logical, not blindly accept some circular which keeps coming and following and trying to say, I have complied, I have complied. You can ask a clarification. That's why I said that this kind of a circular issued is ridiculous.